Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring numbers. Blue color, black color, green color, yellow color, red color, and the last one is white color. So kids, now we coloring numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now we coloring numbers. Blue color, 1. Now we coloring the number of 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. Now we coloring the number of 3. Kids, the next one is 4 and we use red color. F-O-U-R 4. Now we coloring 5. 5. The next one is 6. S-I-X 6. Kids, again we use red color. And now we are draw the number of 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Kids, now we using black color and draw 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. The next one is 9. N-I-N-E 9. Now we coloring 10. The number of 10. T-E-N 10. Kids, the next one is 11 and we use white color. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Now we draw 12. 12. So kids, the next one is 13 and we use green color. The number is 13. Now we draw 14. Kids, the next one is 15 and we use yellow color. 15. Now we draw 15. The next one is 16. We again use yellow color. The next one is 17. 17. Kids, now we draw 18 and we again use blue color. Now we draw 19. Kids, the last one is 20. We again use blue color. TWENTY. 20. So kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, like our videos. See you soon. Bye bye.